Welcome back, everyone. Behind me is the worst car I've ever bought twice. It's a 1958 Ragtop. I keep saying 59. That's Larry's car, but that's where this car is going. We're gonna go down to Larry's tomorrow. We need to get this thing on the trailer. Larry is hell-bent on getting this car all squared up for me so I can weld in all the channels and pans and luggage tray and A pillars, B pillars, inner quarters, outer quarters, shock towers. Yeah, it's that cherry. So let's get this thing out and get a look at it, shall we? All right, well, here it is, guys. 58. Yeah, so go ahead, we'll get this to Larry's tomorrow. I'll get this rocker. I'll drill out all the spot welds here. We'll get this rocker out. Just walk right in here and you can see the firewall is in good shape. For those of you that don't know, that's the reserve lever. I did some previous welding on that Napoleon tad about 5 years ago. My son was not impressed. What do you think? Huh?
You have too much space.
Too much space?
Yes.
Now? Check out the fire. Oh, thumbs down? Check out. And here it sits, some 5, 4, whatever years later. When Larry and I went to New Hampshire, we got a bunch of parts. He has inner rockers, the inner quarter panels here with this piece right here. So he's gonna give those to me. I do have the cross members ordered. You can see our luggage trays. Man, it's pretty solid here. I don't know if we're gonna chase this or just replace it, but the good news is the body mount areas look solid without giving them the pick hammer treatment. Make sure it doesn't have my bad luck VIN in there. It does not. That's good news. So yeah, I'll have to find the other pans. I wish I had classic fab rockers, but we're just gonna put these in here. Looks like we can tie the A pillars. You know, they got enough left of them. We can probably just cheat, put some metal in there. I don't have any donor metal for the B pillars. They don't sell the B pillars. I do have the quarter piece, but they don't fit right. So I'm gonna have to just fab something in there. This piece here is not terrible, so that's good news. I'll have to fab maybe some of this lower inner fender there. But that's it. So we'll get this down to Larry's tomorrow, and Larry's gonna give us a hand, show us how to, because I can show you here, see how the car's starting to spread. So we need to get this car, the lines, this gap is huge, so we're gonna have to pull it together, square it, get all the doors, you know, lined up properly, and then we'll go ahead and put the bracing in. I gotta pick some of that up tonight. Get it all braced up. Larry's gonna show us how to do that, and you guys will get to see how Larry goes ahead, and we'll get the pans and rockers. I'll be welding it all in, but he's gonna assist in that. You guys will get to see that. He's got decades of restoration experience. He's done numerous Beetles, so I'm super excited to get to work with Larry, and equally excited to put it on my channel so you guys can see a true craftsman at work and what he does. So I'm freaking ecstatic about getting a chance to work with Larry on this car. I know my mom is too. My mom called me yesterday. Where's the Larry videos? I watch the Larry videos. So this series is dedicated this series is dedicated to you, Mom. I love you. So the rims are on there just for rollers. Still has a 36. It's not the original. It's not the original engine, but I did get it to run. See, we got some critters living in there. What is it? It is. Oh, there you go. 267. What year is it? Don't know off the top of my head. Is there a gas tank in this thing? Oh, sweet. Got a tank. Here's a molding. Solid up there. That's good news. My early, quote unquote, early cars are never solid right there. Got a body tag, nice. I didn't order I think I have a spare tire well though. The famous 4-tab hood crack. Some of you guys ask what makes a 4-tab hood. Well, there's your 4 tabs. And there's the 4-tab hood killer, the prop rod. People forget. They go to close them and they fold their hood. You can say, I've done it. I'm guilty. I did it once. I mean, it was already cracked, but I forgot it was an early car. Anyway, so that's it. It's gonna need a ton of metal. Get it squared up, get the metal back in it, and get this patina ride back on the road. Well, there you have it, guys. 5 years later, this car is finally going to get the love it deserves. My 58 Ragtop Revival. I'll be at Larry's tomorrow. I'll be recording. If you want to tune in, check that out. How to square this body up, how to get the rockers in, the pans, miscellaneous fabrication. Larry's a master craftsman. He's got a lot of experience, especially in the Beetles. So tune in for that. I know he's got a lot of followers, so I'm excited to bring you guys that content with Larry. My mom's excited. She's a Larry fan. Everyone's a Larry fan. So thank you guys for dropping in. More soon. Have a great week. Take care, guys. All right. We got the grape Beetle. Oh, it's what year is this thing? Oh, it's got pop outs. That thing's been here a while, huh?